What's up there, YouTube? I'm your man, Tobias Gray, and today we are talking about the Range Ready LVOA 223 Wild 556 carbine. Now, I will say that it is not sponsored by Wallsport, even though it does have this smooth grill. It is not sponsored by Wallsport. However, it is sponsored by ZRO Delta. And with ZRO Delta, it did come with a bag. So for a nice little price, it did come with a bag. And one mag, which I despise, you do not use. That mag is horrible. I'm just gonna say that. Mine is for a left trigger, so I have the ambidextrous where one side is, you know, closed chamber as well. I'll give you an example of that. If I wanted to do it, there it is. So if I wanted to do it like that, you know, I could like that, or I could just keep it with the same old assist pull. Now I will say, however, that this does not come with a grip. It does have an M-lock, but you must buy the M-lock assessment for it anyway. It has a 1:8x scope, TSO, USO, so it can go pretty far. And with that being said, let's get some shooting in. Yes, sir. I love her. I love her. Oh yeah, baby. One round, one shot, one kill. Target's 100 yards away.
That's
You heard that?